Time for a Medical Minute with U Chicago Medicine. Jennifer Scott came to U Chicago Medicine for the repair of her heart valve. The team did the work on her heart using a robotic method that meant that her chest wasn't opened up. She had a quick recovery and is doing very well.
I'm not even 48 hours out of surgery, and I feel remarkably good. I'm walking the halls easily, and I'm actually going home in the next couple of hours.
Jennifer Scott is the patient for this innovative procedure, and she couldn't have been more pleased to have this team working to make her better. She said she was worried about having her sternum cut and her chest opened. With this method, neither happened.
A less invasive approach is feasible and beneficial.
Jennifer needed a complex repair of her mitral valve.
The surgeons that work with my usual cardiologist, all three of them said it couldn't be done. My doctor said, well, if anyone's going to be able to do it, it's going to be Dr. Balke.